If you're struggling to create logos for your business, I've got you. In this video, I'll show you 5 best AI logo generators in 2026 based on factors like logo quality, ease of use, and customization options so that you can make logos like these in record time. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Our number 1 pick is Design.com. The interface here is clean and simple. All you have to do is enter a prompt, type your business name, and add keywords to describe the style of logo you want. If you leave this blank, the AI will generate a wide variety of logo styles for you to choose from. I'll leave the keywords empty so we can see a larger variety of designs. Once everything is ready, click the blue button or simply press Enter. Within a few seconds, it generates thousands of logo designs. As you can see here, it created over 10,000 logos. The results are quite accurate and closely match the prompt we provided. Here's another example for a bakery shop called Golden Crumbs. Once again, the AI generates high-quality logos that fit the business description with plenty of different styles to choose from. When you find one you like, simply click on it. There are also many customization options. You can edit your business name, add or remove spaces or special characters, change the font, adjust the size, and switch the text color. You can also change the letter spacing to spread the text out or bring it closer together. There's also an animate option, which lets you add simple logo animations. You can choose from several animation styles and adjust the animation speed to your preference. Finally, there's the AI section. Here you can ask the AI to make specific changes to your logo. For example, I asked it to adjust the logo colors so they matched the background better. If you're not happy with the result, you can ask the AI to make another revision, or simply undo the changes and return to the previous version. Once you're happy with your logo, you can download it on JPG, PNG, SVG, and PDF formats. You'll also find icon-only, text-only, and grayscale versions, each available in different file formats. Our second pick is BrandCrowd.com. Go to the website, enter your business name, and click Create Logos to generate your designs. Unlike Design.com, you don't start with a prompt. Everything begins with your business name. Once the logos are generated, you can add or edit keywords at the top, and it will regenerate the logos to better match the style you're looking for. As you can see, the logo quality is excellent. It generated around 9,600 logo designs, giving you plenty of options to choose from. Here's another example using a different business name. This time, I adjusted the keywords to get a logo that better matched what I was looking for. After selecting my favorite design, I moved on to the customization steps. You can edit the text in your logo, change the font, adjust the size, and switch the color. You can also change the letter spacing and add effects like curved text, outlines, and shadows. Then there's the Animate section, where you can add a simple animation to your logo, and the AI section where you can ask the AI to make changes to your existing logo. Once you're done editing, click the Download button, and you'll be taken to the Access Files page. Here, you'll find the full logo with buffer and full logo without buffer versions. They can be downloaded in formats such as JPG, PNG, SVG, and PDF, depending on the version you choose. Our third pick is Wixel AI from Wix. Once you're on the website, you can either go to the Logos tab and choose an existing design to edit later, or simply enter a prompt describing the logo you want. For this example, I entered a prompt for a coffee shop and clicked Generate. I had to wait around 1 to 2 minutes, and after that, it generated 4 logos. Choose the logo you like and click Select to open the editor. At the top, you'll also find options to add elements, change themes, edit the background, use remix, adjust the frame size, and explore several other editing tools. Once you're happy with the results, click the Download button in the top corner. From there, you can choose from PNG with both solid and transparent backgrounds, SVG with solid and transparent backgrounds, and JPEG. Our fourth pick is Canva AI. Go to the website and click Create. Search for logo and select the first option. From here, you can either choose one of the ready-made logo designs and edit it, or generate a completely new logo by entering a prompt with the details of what you're looking for. It only takes a few seconds to generate the results. Canva AI generates around 4 logos at a time, but the quality and accuracy are both very impressive. When it comes to editing, Canva offers plenty of customization options. You'll find editing tools at both the top and the left side of the screen. You can change the background color, animate your logo, move and resize elements, edit the text, switch fonts, and add new elements to your design. Overall, the editor is very easy to use and gives you a lot of flexibility. Once you're happy with your logo, click the Share button and then select Download. Canva offers a wide range of export formats, including JPG, PNG, PDF, SVG, and even GIF. Simply choose the format you want. Click Download and your logo will be saved. Our 5th pick is Vistaprint AI. Go to the website and open the AI Logo Maker. Enter your business name and details and choose your preferred logo style from 4 different options. Once you're done, enter a description of the logo you want and click Create Logos. It takes a little while to generate the results, and once it's finished, you'll get 4 logo designs. Once you find a logo you like, click on it. Instead of opening a full editing page, Vistaprint AI only lets you use AI to regenerate or modify the selected logo based on your prompt. This can take away granular customization offered in our other picks, but the good news is that the original logo designs are already quite good, so you may not even need to edit them. Overall, the logo quality is definitely one of this tool's strengths. When you're ready to download your logo, click the Download button at the bottom. Unlike the other tools, there are no file format options to choose from. Instead, Vistaprint AI automatically downloads a zip file containing all the available formats, including both solid and transparent versions, so everything is ready to use. And there you have it, top 5 AI logo generators in 2026. Design.com takes the cake with excellent quality and accuracy, but options like BrandCrowd and Wixel are also decent for most use cases. So try out all the 5 logo generators using the discount link in the description and let me know your feedback in the comments below. And for another useful AI tutorial, watch this video next.